It's Madeira time! Woo! Day -1. The event doesn't actually start till tomorrow, but we just put our bikes together and we're taking for a shakedown ride. Down there is the town of Machico. That yellow beach there is going to be our campsite tomorrow night and the following night. 5 nights camping. We're going to ride all of these mountains and all the ones over there, and probably the ones on the other side and over there. 5 days straight, 8 hours. This is probably the only video you're going to see this week, because I'm going to be riding and camping the whole rest of the time. There will be lots of footage to come up the week after. But this is day 1. You're going to see it in a wacky order because we're going to ride first, and then you're going to see us build the bikes, which we already did. Anyway, you'll work it out. We're going to pedal to the top of the hill and see you there. Alrighty, hole in 1. This is
pedaled up 588 meters within 6Ks.
Yeah, basically 100 meters climbing every kilometer pedaled. We just did 5.88 kilometers straight up a hill.
Exactly 6 from the hotel.
Oh, exactly 6 from the hotel. I started mine a bit late. You can see here on Trail Forks, there's a lot of double blacks around. We have a little double black back down to town, but we're going to ride this hole in 1, 3 kilometers of flow trail. And we see Cannondale race tape on it, which means this is probably actually a Madeira racetrack. But we're going to do it as our little shakedown ride to make sure we built the bikes properly and that our bodies still work. So enjoy. This is hole in 1 in Madeira. Alrighty then, this is hole in 1, first ride in Madeira. Blue flow trail. Don't go too gnarly while we make sure the bikes work. Pretty dry and loose in here. Oh look, little gap. Oh, she's loose. Oh, duck. Ah. Duck. Duck, duck. Little blown out in parts here, not a lot of support. Hey! Well, continuing down hole in 1, and on this test ride I fucked my bike. I bent the crank. Oh, dusty.
A bit flat and then wait. Yeah. Sorry.
Hey. continuing. Bent crank day. Oh, you alright?
Yeah, just a shame.
Ah. That's pretty sick. Loose though. There's the road we pedalled up earlier. The Atlantic Ocean out there. Morocco not far to the south. Mainland Europe's about an hour or so flight to the where? East? East. Pretty gnarly blue trail here, folks. Wow. Only one with a bent crank. That's so annoying. First ride and clunk. Just whacked it on a tree stump.
Setting expectations for.
Look at that view, folks. Machico down below. Hole in one blue trail that's pretty freaking gnarly straight ahead. I can pedal this bike, but it feels long with this bent crank. Ugh. Tight. Highline would have been better there. Woo. Shuttle crew in front of us. Okay, hole in one. Pretty freaking gnarly blue trail. Whoa. Yeah, this is chunky. Wow. Spicy. Feisty lines. Pretty solid warm-up. Sprint to the finish. Here you go, folks, hole in one. Oh, shuttles. We've just done our little shakedown thing where I bent my crank. Got to remember to stay on the right hand side of the road. That's the airport straight ahead of us. It's built out on pylons over the edge of the cliff. That was pretty fun. That's a hectic blue trail. Bike's running good other than this bend. That is literally the airport. Quad bikes. All the way around the roundabout. All right, back into Mexico. And here we are, back in Chico. Let's go find the bike wash.
So soft.
Welcome to Madeira, boys and girls. Pretty nice here. Well, hello boys and girls, welcome to YouTube! We're not in Kansas anymore, Toto. This is the island of Madeira. 3 long flights, 2.5 days travel, an overnight in Madrid. But we're here, bike made it, all in one piece, clothes, pillow for my camping, but 2 nights in this nice cushy hotel. Let's go explore the city. Yo! Alright, look who we found.
Hello.
Say you.
You.
We are in Chico. Hey look, there's some other people with bikes. As if on cue. People that can ride bikes. And we're camping somewhere down here and we're riding up these hills. We're gonna go up there and then ride down it, I imagine.
I think that's gonna be the group ride tomorrow. Yeah. One day after, get dropped up there, right down. And then the next stage.
And then up there.
Yeah.
The beach is not made of sand. And over there is where we camp.
How they're all like pedaling out there.
So I guess this is Machiko Harbour. Airport's just around the corner. Machiko. This is where we're camping for 2 nights. And this is where we're having dinner. And that's where we're riding. And there's those same people on bikes again. Whoa, beer o'clock! Cheers! So here we are in Machiko. This is day -1 of Trans Madeira. Tomorrow's registration day and group ride day. Time to build a bike. Got some air in the tyres already. Good to go. Now let's put everything together. Bike made it here safely. Power banks are all ready for some media. What do you reckon? Ratchet time. Little Moi Moi TV. Getting the rotors going. Most times I've travelled internationally, the rotors have got bent, so if you can be asked, take them off when you travel. Getting the We Are One unions ready to rock. Okay, bars are on. Time for the drivetrain. Ooh. There we go, all built. And the blue sky's out. And the beach is there. And we're gonna go and pedal up the mountain over there somewhere. When we build another bike. Firebird. Alrighty, bikes are built. We're gonna ride up there. First time riding a bike in the Western Hemisphere.
The Western Hemisphere?
Yeah, we're in the Western Hemisphere.
Sort of.
The
Northern?
Europe side of the world. Yeah, look at that, beach is there. Hills are up there.
The bikes
Let's
work.
go.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's where we're camping. 2 nights. Look at all those hills. We're going to ride all of them.